Hey guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty and welcome back to my channel. As you all can see that I'm super pumped and excited because today I'm going to be talking about cream blushes, and this has to be my favorite product, and I'm going to share with you all of my favorite cream and liquid blushes, and I'm going to swatch all of them on my cheeks as well so you all can see exactly how they look like. Really excited for this video, and let's just get started right away. But before that, if you haven't subscribed already, then make sure you hit on that red button and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. So the reason I personally love using cream blushes is because they look really natural on the skin and they just blend so seamlessly without looking over the top, and you can use them on a day-to-day basis as well, and they just give that really nice natural flush of color to the cheeks. And if you are someone who has not ever used blush because you feel like it looks too much and it looks too fake, then you should definitely give cream blushes a go because you can just really apply how much ever you want, and you can obviously decide the intensity as per your liking. So that's the reason you should definitely invest in a cream blush if you haven't already. I personally don't use powder blushes as much because I just feel like they sit on top of the skin and they don't blend nicely and they look really fake. So that's the reason I personally love cream blushes, and there are obviously different ways in which you can apply them as well. You can definitely just use your fingers to apply any sort of these liquid or cream blushes. It's super easy to use. Or if you are someone who does not like using fingers, then you can use a sponge or a brush as well. This is my favorite brush to blend any sort of cream or liquid products, and this is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill cream blush brush, and it's supposed to just be for cream products, which is why I love it. As you can see that it is a small buffing brush, and it just blends and applies the product super nicely, and it's so precise because it's not like big, so it just applies the product where you want it to. I'm going to list other options in the description box below because obviously Morphe is not easily available in India. So without any further ado, let's just get started with some of my favorite cream blushes, and trust me, y'all are going to love these. So first up we have the Lakme 9 to 5 lip and cheek mousses, and these are again easily available and they are really affordable as well, and the texture on these is just really beautiful, and because it is a mousse, it just blends so nicely into the skin, and there are again a variety of colors to choose from. So the ones that I have with me are Plum Feather and Pink Plush, and both of these colors are really beautiful. Now when you look at them, you're going to get intimidated because they're really bright colors, but trust me, once you just blend them into the skin, it just looks so beautiful, and these stay on also on your cheeks for a really long time. And again, you can use this on your lips, your cheeks, and you can apply them a little bit on your eyelids as well, so you have that really nice overall flush of color to your face. So I'm just going to swatch both of these. So first up we have Plum Feather. If you are someone who is medium to dusky skin tones, then you can definitely give this a go, and it's a beautiful color. Now obviously it looks really dark on the skin, but you need like the tiniest amount of product to apply this on your cheeks and you're good to go. And the second one is Pink Plush, and this is what the swatch of that one is. As you can see, this is like a neon pink color, and this also surprisingly looks good on medium skin as well. I have tried it personally, and this is going to look stunning on lighter skin tones as well. I'm just going to take this on my finger, okay, the slightest amount, and then just dab it, and then keep just blending it into your skin. As you can see, it's actually this dark, but once you blend it onto your skin, it just looks so pretty, and it just looks like this. And obviously you can apply a bit more if you want, and keep building it up as per your liking. And this is how that one looks like. I'm going to apply the second shade on this cheek so you all can see how that one looks like. So definitely give these a go because they're really affordable and they look stunning on the cheeks as well. Next up we have these two, which are stick blushes, and again these are really convenient to use and to apply as well and to carry, because obviously they are really compact in size, as you can see, and these also you can easily apply them with your fingers. So first up we have this L'Oreal Infallible blush paint, and this is in the shade Tangerine Please, and this is a beautiful coral shade and it looks stunning, especially during summers. I'm going to show you how it looks like. And next up we have this one, which is the NYX one, which is called as Bright Idea. It's an illuminating stick, so it has a little bit of shimmer in it and it has color as well. Brick Red Blaze, this is the shade name. So I'm going to swatch both of these. So first up is the L'Oreal one, and as you can see, it's really intense and the pigment on these is amazing, but again you don't need to apply so much of it. You can just use like the tiniest amount and blend it into your skin, and it's just a beautiful, you know, warm coral shade. And next up we have this one, which is the NYX one, which looks like this, and I don't know if you can see, but it has like a little bit of sheen to it, and again it's like a really, you know, dark red color. So first we're going to try the L'Oreal one, and there are two ways to apply it. First you can take it on the back of your hand like this, okay, and then take the product on your finger and then you go over it like this. As you can see, it's so pretty, and I think it's just a really nice bright color and it's perfect for summers. Next we have the NYX one, and I'm going to show you how to apply this, so you can directly just go on your cheeks like this, if you have control over the product obviously, and apply how much ever you want, and then you can just blend that directly into the skin. And this is how that one looks like. Next up we have a stick blush by Nude Sticks, and this is again one of my favorites. This is in the shade Sunset Strip, and this is what the packaging looks like. Now Nude Sticks is obviously a bit more expensive as compared to the other ones that I showed you, but again it's really worth it. So this is the brush that comes on the other side, so it's really easy to blend out the product, and then you have the product on this side, so it's like a dual-sided thing. So this is what that shade looks like. As you can see, it's just such a beautiful peachy pink color, and it looks stunning on, you know, so many skin tones as well, especially if you're like light to medium. The only thing with this product is that you need to warm it up a bit on the back of your hand before you apply it on your cheeks, because it can tend to dry up, so keep that thing in mind. So just taking this again with my fingers, placing the product right here and just blending it. You can obviously use the brush to blend it also. And this is what that looks like. The next product that I'm going to show you is probably one of the first cream products which I absolutely fell in love with, and this is the Bobbi Brown Pot Rouge. It's again for lips and cheeks, and they have a bunch of shades in this, and this is in the shade Rose 10, and this is what it looks like. It comes with a mirror. Again, this is an expensive product because it's Bobbi Brown, so the price range for this is I think around 3,000 if I'm not wrong, but a little product goes a long way with this. So this one has lasted me at least for around 2 to 3 years if I'm not wrong, or probably more than that. But the color on this is just so stunning. This will suit light, medium and deeper skin tones as well, because it's a really versatile color, and the formula on this is just so beautiful. I'm just going to show you. So you can again just dip your finger right in, or you can use a brush if you want to be really hygienic, and then this is what it looks like. So with this product, I love using this brush, and I'm just going to show you how to apply it. So again, take the product on the brush. As you can see, I have it here, and then you just apply it. And again, it might look too much, but the best thing is that you can just rub it off and then keep blending this into your skin. I actually want to get more shades in these because I just love the formula, and again I'm just showing you all different options, and they are in different price ranges, so whatever suits you and your budgets, you can go for those particular ones. Now, when is the right time to apply a cream blush? So after you're done with your concealing and your foundation, that is when I feel like it's the right time to apply a cream blush. Do not apply powder on your face and then, you know, on top of it go with a cream blush, because then it's not going to blend nicely into the skin and it's going to look patchy, and you do not want that. Next up we have this one, which is my recent purchase, and this is the Iconic London sheer blush, and this is in the shade Powder Pink. So I have just been hoarding cream and liquid blushes recently, so whenever a brand launches a new one, I am definitely just going to go and buy it because I love trying new ones out. So I'm just going to show you the formula on this. As you can see, it's more like a liquid but not too liquidy as well, and this is what that one looks like, and this is the shade. So this blush has a really sheer formula, so it does not look too much on the skin. So I feel like it suits more, you know, lighter skin toned people, because if you ask someone who has medium to dusky skin, then you need something which is going to give more color to the cheeks. But if it's this sheer, then it may not be visible on your skin tone. But again, this is a beautiful formula as well. It's just really lightweight on the skin. The best way to apply this blush is again with your fingers, and I'm just going to take some again and then apply it on my cheeks and keep dabbing it. So this one I purchased actually from the Iconic London website itself, because they deliver internationally. Last but definitely not the least, we have the NARS liquid blush in the shade Torrid, and just look at the packaging, it's just so luxe. And it comes with a pump as well, which is amazing, but this product tends to leak in your bags, so just be careful about it. I'm going to show you the swatch of this as well. So this is what that one looks like, and this is just a beautiful, again, orangey coral shade, and this is what that one looks like. So this I'm going to apply with a brush. I'm just going to take some of this and just apply it directly on my cheeks, and this is how that one looks like. It's so beautiful. So here were my favorite liquid and cream blushes, and I really hope that this video was helpful with all of the swatches, and let me know which one you're definitely gonna try in the comments down below, because I would love to know. Or if you have any recommendations for me to try, then let me know that as well. And share this video with your friends and give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.